Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboard, FAMI Edition. Let's see if this blast from the past is worth your hard-earned cash.
The 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboard pays homage to the classics while offering modern features for today's gamers and typists alike. Boasting a compact 87-key layout, this keyboard is perfect for those who crave that retro aesthetic without sacrificing functionality.
Now, let's talk about some standout features. Firstly, this keyboard offers multiple connectivity options.
Whether you prefer Bluetooth, wireless 2.4G, or a wired connection, the choice is yours. This level of flexibility ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices, including Windows 10 and Android 9.0 or above.
Underneath those retro-inspired keycaps lies the heart of the keyboard, Keil Box Switch V2 white switches.
Known for their tactile feedback and durability, these switches provide a satisfying typing experience. And with die sub-PBT keycaps, you can expect long-lasting legends that won't fade over time.
But what sets this keyboard apart are the dual super programmable buttons. These oversized keys can be customized to your heart's content,
allowing you to map commands or macros without the need for additional software. It's like having two extra buttons at your fingertips for ultimate control.
From a design perspective, the 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboard doesn't disappoint.
With its top-mount style and classic power status LED, it exudes nostalgia while still feeling fresh.
Plus, with support for 8BitDo Ultimate Software V2, you can further customize your experience with ease. But enough about specs, how does it actually feel to use? Well, according to user reviews, it's a hit. Many users praise its connectivity, button customization, and overall build quality.
Whether you're gaming or typing, this keyboard delivers a satisfying experience.
Now, let's talk about the price.
At $84.99, it's not the cheapest keyboard on the market, but considering the features and build quality,
it's a solid investment for any retro enthusiast or serious typist. And with availability on Amazon, it's just a click away from landing on your doorstep. So, is the 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboard worth it? Absolutely. With its blend of retro charm and modern functionality, it's a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their typing experience. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.
Until next time, happy typing!